We will explore a new feature into MicroStrategy, which is auto summary, right? Auto summary automatically generates a text-based insight summarizing the key trends, patterns, and exceptions in your dashboard visuals. It uses AI-driven narrative analytics to describe what's happening in the data. For example, right, sales increased by 20% in quarter two, driven by strong performance in the North region. How basically it helps the business user, right? So it helps the business users interpret the dashboard faster. It uses the natural language generation to analyze metrics and visuals. You can find this on the right top in your developer in a design mode, which can be enabled for the business users to see. You can also customize a bit by putting some context around this. The example I can show you here is that where we have the same sales dashboard with a sales trend page, right? Where you can just click on this icon auto summary. This will basically generate a summary for you. And on the left side, you can see you can put your instructions like what you want as a summary out of this, right? So this is auto generated for now, but you can also change as you wish, right? There are further more options, right? If you want to keep this always or auto refreshes, or you want to display this for the consumer. So I have displayed this for the consumer for sales trend. So now I will save and then go to that consumer view. Okay, so now I am in consumer view, and here you can see that this option is enabled for the consumer. So if you click on this auto summary now, this will basically read the latest data and then generate a summary for you. So this is very good example where we can understand that how this natural language processing can be helpful. Since these are simple visualization which you can see and immediately understand what's happening, but sometimes we have a lot of data and it's very difficult to see why this, what is the anomalies and how to read this dashboard and so on. Especially for the new onboarded member, this is very helpful to understand. Even for the experienced one, because it also tells you some outliers, or if there is some thing which is happening not expected, or some anomalies where we have some data spike or something. For example, we have in September pronounced a dip in both quantity and revenue compared to surrounding months. So this can be a anomalies or outliers. Or also what you can do, right, as an action, so that also can be discussed here. I mean, can be displayed here. Also, you can put your custom request here, right? For example, what you have to do, right? If the sales goes down, who should you contact? All those informations you can put in this page summary. Since we have not enabled the summary on the second page, so you will not see that summary for the second page. So you can custom it for the specific pages and then keep it live and auto refresh so that it reads the latest data and gives you an information. Thank you.